So today we're going to do something different, and instead of food we're going to be making tea, but not just any tea, bubble tea, and not just any bubble tea, but Thai bubble tea, which means it's going to be cool and orange. First thing we're going to do is make our bubbles, which claim to only take like 15 minutes, but we'll see. It does require boiling water, which I have shown to be not that in-depth at in the past. But that's what I've got currently, is the water boiling and then the water heating up to make the tea in this adorable little pitcher. So as you can see, this water is fully and legitimately boiling. You're supposed to boil 5 cups of water for every half cup of tapioca. So that's probably somewhere like 5. Whoa, look how bouncy they are. So I'm putting in my half cup of tapioca pearls. If I can manage. And I'm measuring because this is new to me. So then, once they rise to the surface, that's when you cover it. But until then, we're gonna leave it open. Okay, see how they're all bubbled to the top? That means I'm going to cover it and boil them for 5 minutes. Okay, while the bubbles are boiling for 2 to 3 minutes, we're going to steep our tea because it's going to be iced tea, so we want to steep it and then cool it, but we also want to be able to open it. Hot water. See how orange it is? So we're going to steep that for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so these have been boiling for probably 2 minutes. Super boiling. So what then we do is shut it off and let it continue simmering for 2 to 3 more minutes. Okay, we let them sit for another 2 to 3 minutes, and now we need to scoop them out and put them into ice water for them to cool. So we're just gonna let them cool in the ice water for another 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're gonna mix them with sugar, or in my case, agave syrup. Okay, now we're taking tapioca pearls, adding them to our bowl, mixing them with agave syrup, and some almond extract for extra fanciness. Cool! So now our tea is pretty highly steeped. It's been steeping for probably longer than it needed to. I'm gonna remove my tea bags. JK. And then add a little sweetener to it as well. Just a little. Now since this is iced tea, we're going to chill this for a little bit before we add it in there so it isn't just like crazy hot. Just wanted to mix the sweetener while it was still warm. Now we're going to add our bubbles to our cups before we put in the ice. So just a goodly amount to cover the base of it. And we're going to add a lot of ice. And we're going to add our tea on top. That nice orange color. Thai iced bubble tea.